I ordered these earrings at the request of one of my subscribers. Right away, I'll say they do look a bit different from the seller's photos. Not dramatically, but in the details. The stone isn't natural. I'm pretty sure it's an epoxy resin imitation made to look like the real thing. And honestly, I have no idea what these little gold bits are for. I think you could just remove them and they'd look way better without them. You know, I actually like these earrings. They've got an interesting, slightly old-fashioned design, but those little chains really freshen them up. They're a mix of vintage and modern, so if you like this style, I can definitely recommend them. They'd be a lovely addition to your jewelry collection.